good one for this. Yes, has an angle of 45, 70 degrees. Like you were taking off. My God. Uy! Hindi ko nakita yan ah. It's so deep, brother. Apulacay 4x4 Group PC in Surrey at McDonald's. Let's take a look the boys. Excuse me boys, what's up for today?
Well, we have a new sticker here. Look, so beautiful.
All right.
Lakay.
So, alright, so we will take a short video today. Raw video, no edit. So this is for tonight. Tonight, but we have sun. It's already 8 p.m. So we have to take a look again, Mr. Mario's car, his truck. So I haven't seen this setup of Mr. Mario. Very nice. We have the same truck, but this fourth generation is way better and bigger. Oh, he got this nice sticker right here, like 2-meter sticker. Let's see what's inside. Oh, he has ARB, Old Man Emo control arms. Okay, so these are the gang, and they brought. So we are just here at the parking lot by McDonald's, and that's Ryan's, President Ferdy, and singing Joseph. So okay, so we can see some off-roaders today, truck for off-road, I should say. I thought it's a Dodge Ram. It's a Dodge Ram, brother. I thought it was. I thought.
Nag-upgrade ka tayo cellphone na. Naka-BP, man.
I thought it's a Tacoma. It's a Dodge Ram.
Naka-BP,
It's a
boy.
Dodge Ram, nice one. Today we are planning what setup is going to be for this stock 4Runner right here. It's a 5th generation. I'm happy and I'm very excited to see the outcome of this truck one day. You can imagine now this truck right here, the Tacoma. It could be similar facelift. So, of your choice. ARB or what is that brand?
ERC1.
ARC1. No, no nose. This one is with a front end. Right. So there's nothing much today. You know, we are just only hanging up here. And let's take a look his suspension. Oh, the president. I haven't seen this yet. They have some tiny LED lights here, and he has also a worn winch inside. And let's take a look inside. He just installed a new Dobinsons. Coil spring front strut, and still fishing rods. Another fishing rod right there. And then this is the new one. This is the 5th generation Toyota. Yeah, still stock. Nothing is new here, just stock tire. It's nice outside today. It's cooler. It's cooler at 8 p.m. So actually we are at this address. So let's take a look. The bump. Okay. Oh, he got 6 stickers here. Huh? What are these stickers? Tacoma Gone Wild. Do you go fishing? We have a salmon sticker. Oh, I like this. I like this one. Called Tacoma. Okay, that's only you can see it. President 40. Rear end. Let's take a look. Ryan's stickers. Oh, what about that? Baby on board. Oh my goodness. You are funny, man. So I'm just curious what you are putting at your rear. Okay. That's it. No, wait, no. Oh, I haven't seen the sticker yet. Let's take a look at your sticker at your rear. They said you have a nice sticker. Ah, the same thing. Almost just the same. Oh, I've seen that already. Oh, you're a biker. So these are the Apulakay group founders. These are the founders. Huh? Pilot. I don't have a Toyota today, so it's shameful. Shameful. So that's all for today. For the 4th generation Forerunner, 5th generation Forerunner, and then the 4th generation Tacoma, 4th generation Tacoma. All siblings. Have a nice day. This is the new group named I joined, and we will be recapping my previous episode about the camping setup gears of these Toyota Tacomas and 4Runners. This is Mr. Charlie setup. May yayamanin. Si Mr. Charlie, naka-iCamper. Oh, nice. Still stock tire. Look at that. Mr. Charlie setup. Alright. Meron siyang kulungan. Camouflage na tent pa. Yan. Ito yung setup ni parang Charlie. Alok Mr. Eric setup. Alright. Yun.
Ay, good luck sa kanya ngayon. Putang napuputulin niya yan bago niya manakaw.
Ito.
Oo. Iba-iba na.
Ito yung setup ni Mr. Eric, right? Oh, ganda yung setup niya. Oh,
Kita mo, iba-iba.
meron siyang railings.
Tingnan mo ilalim.
Sa kabila, oh.
Good luck.
Cool. That's Eric's setup. Very good. Basic,
Basic yan.
but one day you will see the 6-inch lift. This is Joseph's. All is stock. All is stock for runner. All is stock. No upgrade. No upgrade. Just bone stock for runner. It's Mr. Joseph. This bone is set up. Okay. Ano siya? ARB ka? ARB? Siya light. Oh, he got a nice set of lights here. That's cool. RTT. Meron siyang grills. Fishing rods. That's bonus. Alright, done. So this is my setup as usual. It's very shaded here, so no need to pull my awning. So less work. Basic. This is my basic setup. Okay, I have a dress room, my bedroom. That's all I got today. That's all. And you know what? New sticker for my truck. This is our founded group. So two members are coming soon. So I hope you enjoyed our basic setup today. And everyone is in the ground. Okay, see you later, folks. Oh, this po Mario's truck setup. Look at that, nice one.
Apa ang may babato na?
O baba.
Baba? Hanggang tumama tayo gating pa.
Okay lang.
Ha.
Hindi daw maganti pa.
This
Mga
is.
extra.
Oh yeah. Oh, kambal talaga, kambal kami. Kaya kambal kami.
Bumper.
Pati bumper, kambal, oh. Pares kami nga naka-yellow lights. Oh. Up Mario's set up.
Bumper ko kasi sa
Oh, look at that. Nice.
Layo.
Forerunner. Third generation, fourth generation.
naka-ARB mo pa naman.
This is my basic setup. Truly, not a real. Okay. It's a nice one. Ito naman yung setup ni Mr. Ryan.
Awan naman dito. Ha?
New arrival bracket. So si Ryan talaga, yayamanin si Ryan. Ito yung setup ni Mr. Ryan Carbonell. O meron pa siyang antena. Very good boy. Yung kanyang lift.
At hindi nagbabago.
Ano, pas ka?
The complete group members. Finally the founder is arrived. This is the late guy.
Mike, ano, Mike? Mike.
Repress lang.
Online.
Order mo na lang sa North Shore. Our newly founded group. Group which I joined. And also we have another sticker. We have all stock for runner. This is the one here. Founded this year, June 2024. The Apo Lakay.
The boss is setting up now.
4x4. Toyota BC. The boss is setting up now.
Okay na. Tulungan tayo ni Boss Aga.
Okay lang kita.
The CEO brought the whole 1 month.
Oh my God, Princess, dami mo namang dinala. My God.
This is good for 1 month.
1 month.
Staying vacation at the camp.
Oh, yeah, wow.
Da! Ang batan yung tapno amuna
Okay.
tiriga tapno gumatang ti alopab tagriyo. Sa loob. Di pa sa loob.
Oh my God, nagadaon. 1 month ka.
Everything he brought all in the house
Kunti lang.
with the gas, with the speaker,
Dali na di pa.
everything. You take all your stuff all in your house, huh? Where's your bed?
Ada!
Did you you take with you the bed as well?
Of course, man.
The twin beds?
Nilakok to amin dito yun takwa gumatang ti alopab.
Oh.
Okay nga nakidi.
What else do you brought with you? Oh, your favorite ARB seat? Talaga naman, branded ka.
Siyempre. Anda ta no atakas tay kalmo jarabaw.
Alright.
Okay?
The founder, CEO, CEO of the Apo Lakay 4x4 BC. But all the members are all on time except the CEO.
Jay Mike nong.
Everyone is settling here.
Eh?
Our founder,
Former.
leader of the group.
Former.
All the members are all on time, except the mayor, because he did fully furnished with his truck.
Kinuksilin pa yun to. Imas!
Look at the lights
Ay! Banking mo. Joseph.
with a sticker.
Kalas.
New tire.
Ni, dapat kupit no.
You have
Kita mo.
You have a Dobinson. Oy.
Ako pansay.
ARB rolling. With a new roof.
Roofness.
Roof nest.
Made in China.
Made in China.
Alam mo yun, opit na.
With the
Hello,
TRD emblem. But look at this. You got a new tire with a fuel bedlock rim. Okay, check this out. This is the president's CEO founder of this group. This is his truck with the Dobinson shocks. Oh, yan na. Yeah, that's it.
Basta pa.